Hiya my lovelies, welcome again to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really well. I have missed you. It's been like a week or a couple of weeks since I've been here. I can't even remember anymore, but I am here and I'm so happy. So today I'm going to be teaching you how best to use your favorite Makari product, and the product I've got is this one. This is my second bottle, and if I don't get this video done it will run out. I've placed an order for it because I like it so much. So this one is the repairing and clarifying serum by Makari. This is actually my favorite stuff right here. Love it. Love it. I don't know if any of you have used it before, and if you have, please leave your comments in the comment section below. All right guys, so before we go into the video, please as always subscribe to my channel. Also share my videos with everyone, your friends, your colleagues, your families, even your haters, because they need the love more, right? Share my videos, and also give me a thumbs up and leave your comments in the comment section below. Let's go straight into the video. So as I said before, this is the Makari Repairing and Clarifying Serum. It's one of my favorite Makari serums that I've used so far, bearing in mind that I've not used so many, because once I like something I stick to it. I am set in my ways. So I like this one and I've ordered it again. However, I ordered other serums just so I can try and show you guys. And I'm going to tell you why I like it so much, so maybe you will agree with me. So the Makari Repairing and Clarifying Serum essentially helps to clear dark spots on your face. Not only that, it does help to rebuild collagen. You guys know how I feel about building collagen, especially when you are getting older like myself. Collagen is so good for your skin. So any product that helps to enhance collagen production on your skin is so good. Go for it, okay? And it also improves skin texture, tone, and controls excessive sebum production, as well as prevent breakouts. I was actually using it to clear dark spots on my face, but I didn't even think that it would help prevent pimples on my face. And you guys can see the amount of pimples I make on my face has drastically reduced. So what are the actual ingredients in this product? So let's explore it together. So the number one ingredient here is grape extract, which apparently improves skin texture and reduces sign of aging. I didn't know grapes did that, but there you go. And carrageenan, oh my god, what the hell? And then carrageenan extract, which is mineral and protein rich. And then mimosa bark extract, which also heals and improves the youthful skin by revitalizing collagen and connective tissue. So these are the natural active ingredients in this product, and I love that Makari is taking really good advantage of natural ingredients to make their products, because we don't want to use anything that will destroy our skin, do we? If you have oily and acne prone skin like I do, please make sure that any skincare product that you're using is water-based, okay? Because oil on top of your oily and acne-prone skin will cause you breakouts. Now, that is a note to myself, because the other day I was piling rosehip oil on my face and I broke out. Even though I liked it, but it gave me a little bit of tiny rashes and I've stopped using it. So obviously you can moisturize. I use almond oil on my body, so it's no problem. Vitamin A oil I use on my body, never on my face, but I just got carried away with rapeseed oil, and my face was like, who are you? Stop it. So I stopped. I might go back to it later, but anyway, so stick to products that have aqua in it, which means water. Two amazing ingredients that you need to be aware of. It's got glycolic acid, which is great exfoliant, and ascorbic acid, which is vitamin C to help brighten your skin. With glycolic acid, you have to be really careful. This will bring me to showing you exactly how I use this product to avoid any issue because of glycolic acid. Glycolic acid is great. It's good exfoliant, and in fact, I have a whole video coming up after this one where I get to tell you the issue that you might have with glycolic acid, but also will give you how to prevent it. But I'm just going to talk about this one. So because it contains glycolic acid, I'm going to show you how I use this product that makes it one of my number one serums out of all the Makari serums that I have tried. So before I actually demonstrate how to use this, I must let you know that you can use it in the day and at night as well. However, in the day, make sure that you're putting on your SPF okay, higher SPF of 50. There's no point using a product as expensive as this and then you go out in the sun without a sunscreen. I mean, it's counterproductive, okay? When you use it in the day, please put on your sun protection to protect your face and your neck from the sun. Don't forget your body though. And you can also use it at night, and when you're using it at night, there is no need to wear a sunscreen. I had to mention that. I know it's common sense, but I had to mention that because somebody out there may not know, you know? Don't ever assume that people know what they should know, because the amount of DMs that I get, it occurs to me that a lot of people don't know stuff, and I don't blame them. Before I got into skincare, I did not know a lot. So yeah, I'm going to mention it. At night, use it, but do not wear sunscreen. And in the day, wear a sunscreen. Use with moisturizer. And that brings me to the main point. Use with moisturizer. Or you can use it as a spot treatment. I do both. I use it as an overall on my neck, and I use it also as a spot treatment on the hyperpigmentation that I wear on my face before. I say before because they have seriously faded away. Because it has a perfume in it, it's not overpowering. However, some people's skin may react to products that has perfume in them. So I must warn you, this has perfume in it, okay? In which case, do a patch test, try it and see how you feel before you continue. If you find that you're getting irritation, then it's not ideal for your skin. So people with sensitive skin, I would say use it sparingly and use it carefully, and just kind of like test the waters and see how your skin receives it before you go full on. So I would say if you have a sensitive skin, just use it as a spot treatment and then dab, 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 dab. I find that it works better than just kind of like rubbing it all over your face, because that might cause you some irritation. I don't know, it may or may not, but I'm just saying because of the perfume and the glycolic acid in it. So just have to be careful. Oily skin is a perfect product for you. Dry skin people, use it, but also use your moisturizer to keep your face moisturized. Normal skin people, God has blessed you. What can I say? You guys are the favorites. Normal skin people are enjoying themselves, I'm telling you, honestly, because I have friends with normal skin and they don't do half of the things that I do to my skin. They just wake up, wash their face, apply moisturizer, and off they go. Lucky people. So let's demonstrate how you can use this to make sure that you avoid irritation and also make sure that you are getting the best result on your skin. So that's the product here. This is the cream that I'm going to use. We're not going to waste it. So let's start with the serum. So that's a little bit of it, tiny bit, golden drop. I love it. So that's my creamy cream, and got it here, and I mix. So the golden cream and the white cream, this is a tiny bit. This should be enough for your face, my dear. You don't need to pile on this product, okay? So you mix it together. Oh, so lovely. So I'm just going to put it on my hand. It's good for your hand, and I'll tell you why. So that's it. So beautiful. So that's it. I don't want to put it on my neck or my face because I'm wearing makeup at the moment. So that's it on my hand. So lovely. So that's how I do it. That's how I mix the product and I rub it on my neck. So if I wanted to spot treat on my face, I will pump. I'm not gonna pump it because I'm wasting it. Oh my God. And then I will pick it up and then I will go like that, like that, like that, like that to all of the places that I have acne marks and all of that. Okay, so that's how I use it. I always like to mix this with a cream, except for when I have spots, I put it directly on the spots because I'm looking to deal with that spots. I'm not holding back. You know what I mean? So I really, really like this product. And if you agree with me, please give me a thumbs up. If you have issues using this product, contact me on Instagram. I'm helping loads and loads and loads of you. And then we can talk through the process of how to use it. And I will help you and I will follow up every 2 weeks to see how you're getting on. I know, I'm so kind. I'm so nice. Yes, I do. I even contact people and go, how are you getting on? Because I enjoy doing this. So yeah, make sure that you contact me if you're struggling, and then we can talk about it together and I'll be able to support you a bit more, okay? So yeah, it's one of my favorites and I give this product a whopping 5 stars. Love it. So my final tip is to always buy online from Makari website so that you know that you're getting the correct product. Some people come to me and go like, Jane, this product did this and did that, and I go, where'd you buy it? I bought it from a shop. I don't know where the shop person got it from. So it's hard to help you when you get from a random shop. Or even if you go to a shop, ask whether they got theirs from real Makari supplier. If you're in the UK, go to TJ Beauty and buy there at the Makari UK. And if you are in US, Canada, obviously go to the main Makari website. If you are in Europe, buy from Makari France. I forgot to mention, if you're in Nigeria, there is an official Makari website for Nigeria. Make sure that you're shopping from there to get your authentic products. So, very importantly, don't forget to use my code JANE15. This product is like $53, which is like for something pounds. It's expensive. However, if you use my code JANE15, then you get 15% off the product and any other Makari products that you would like. That's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, please give me a thumbs up. And like I said before, if you need to talk more about this, come and find me on Instagram at jfomeadows and slide in my DM. Let's talk. I shall see you guys again very soon. You know how much I love you already, right? Mwah! Bye.